Hello all. In 2009 I installed a set of IPF900 driving lights. I upgraded the bulbs to a HID kit. The specs for that kit were 55 watt and the globe temperature was 5000 K, which gives you a brilliant white colour, pretty much similar to sunlight. I finally got the money together to install a third light. The combination I'm going to have is 2 spread and 1 spot. The only difference being is the HID kit that I've ordered this time around is a 70 watt. The globe temperature is still 5000 K. Current draw for this system is between 9 and 12 amps for the 70 watt kit and between 6 and 9 amps for the 55 watt kit. The relay I'm going to use will be a 40 amp relay. I'm going to run a common positive and negative cable for all 3 lights, and they will be able to be disconnected individually if required. Now I'm just going to show you what comes in the IPF kit. It comes with 2 spotlights, one being a spread and one being a spot. Now the spread is exactly that. As you can see with the glass, it's got lines through it, and what that does is diffuse the light or spreads the light over a wider distance, but as a result of that it doesn't go as far. Now with the spotlight, the lens is perfectly flat, there's no lines in the lens itself, which means the beam's going to be narrow, but it will go a lot longer in distance. The difference is, what I've already done is installed the HID globes. What they normally come with is a right angle connector. Now. Without touching the bulb, and there it is there. So that's what they normally come with. It's a halogen type bulb. I've taken that out and I've installed the HID bulbs out of my HID kit.